Namaste students, I am Shweta here, your maths teacher. Let us start today's class. In our previous class we already discussed the chapter 2, that is fun with numbers. Let us continue the chapter. Skip counting. By the name itself it indicates you are skipping some numbers here. Skip counting helps you to count many things quickly. If you want to count any number, so it helps you to count fastly and learn your multiplication table. It also helps to learn the tables. So skip counting by tens. So you can see here one grid I have shown here. So 1 to 100 numbers are there. In this, you can observe here the last column that is that is colored with blue. That blue color, what is there? The numbers 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. These numbers you call it as skip counting by tens. You are skipping here some numbers. See, for example, 10 after number is 11. 11 after number is 12. So 12 after number is 13. So like that 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. These numbers you are skipping and you are writing the number 20. Here 10 numbers you are skipping. So you are adding 10 numbers here. This is the method of writing the skip counting. See 10, 0 plus 10, that is the 10 only. 10 if you add 10 you get 20. 20 if you add 10 you get 30. 30 you add 10 you get 40. See here you are doing skip counting by tens here. So 10 you are adding. So like that you have to do the skip counting. Let us see counting in tens. See here, here filling the blanks you have to write here 10, 20, 30 they are given. So 30, what you have to do, skip counting by tens here. So tens means what you have to do, you have to add 10 for that number. For example 30 is there, 30 you add 10, so you get 40. 40 you add 10 you get 50. 50 add 10, 60. 60 if you add 10, 70. 70 you add 10, 80. 80 you add 10, the number you get is 90. 90 you add 10 you get 100. So like that only 110 they are given. So 110 you add 10, it is 120. 120 you add 10 you get 130. 130 you add 10 you get 140. 140 you add 10 you get 150. 150 you add 10 you get 160. 160 you add 10 you get 170. 170 you add 10 you get 180. 180 you add 10 you get 190 and 200 they only given. So like that only 310. 310 you add 10 you get 320. 320 you add 10 you get 330. 330 you add 10 you get 340. So like that adding 10 10 10 numbers. So if you add 10 for 340 you get 350. 350 you add 10 you get 360. So 360 you add 10 you get 370. 370 you add 10 it is 380. 380 you add 10 it is 390. So like that 400. Like that only you have to do for 710, 720, 730, 740, 750, 760, 770, 780, 790, 800. Here these numbers you are adding 10 10 for that because it is a counting in tens. Counting in 50. See 200. 200 you are adding here 50 50 numbers. So 200 you add 50 you get 250. 250 you add 50 you get 300. 300 you add 50 you get 350. 350 you add 50 you get 400. 400 you add 50 you get 450. 450 you add 50 you get 500. 500 you add 50 you get 550. 550 you add 50 you get 600. 600 you add 50 you get 650. 650 you add 50 you get 700. 700 you add 50 you get 750. 750 you add 50 you get 800. 800 you add 50 you get 850. How far can you go like this? Which is the biggest number you can call out? See like that how far you can go? See numbers if you are counting it is endlessly it is endless, so you cannot stop the numbers. If you add one number to another number, the greatest number obtained, like that only that greatest number you add again, then another greatest number it will be formed. So we can count endlessly we can count, as there is no limit into counting the numbers in 50s. There will always be bigger number than the previous number, right? Color the number. See here, you have to color the they are given in the circle. In that circle, no, some table they are given. So the table numbers they are given. What you have to do, find these numbers in the above chart, color them. See above chart, you have to find here green, red and yellow color. Yellow, they are given some numbers. That numbers you have to identify. For example, 140 you get. In this number 140 you have to color with green. Like that only. 54, 54 you get here, so you have to color with red. So like that, in this chart you have to see and you have to color here. So this you have to take it as homework. In textbook only you do it and send a pic to me. A jumping animal. Here three animals are there: deer, rabbit and frog. See here, deer name is Gabru, rabbit name is Bunny and frog name is Taru. See, Gabru, Bunny and Taru are jumping all the way. Gabru jumps on every seventh box, Bunny on every fifth box, Taru on every fourth box. See here, you can observe here some boxes they are given, and in that boxes some numbers they are written. So here, for example, you can see Gabru is standing on 90th box. So 90th box after 91 box, 91 box after 92. So like that box they are given. What is this means? Here Gabru is jumping every seven boxes. See here, how you are counting, skip counting, like that only. See here also, Gabru is on 90th box, so it will be jump on seventh box. Means seventh box means you have to skip seven numbers, and so you have to see the number what the Gabru seventh box. See for example, 91, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So that is, if Gabru seventh box, if it jumps means the number is 97. So like that only 97, he have to skip seven boxes means the number obtained is 104. So like that only, seven boxes it will be jump. Like that only, bunny jumps every five boxes. So five boxes it will be skip and it will jump on fifth box. So like that only, Taru fourth box it will jump. Gabru starts jumping from number 90. Gabru is standing on 90, so it starts jumping from 90 number. Bunny starts jumping from 99. Taru starts jumping from 106. So you have to find Bunny 10th jump, Taru's 10th jump and Gabru's 10th jump. What is that number? And find out. See, let us see that. Taru, so, Bunny's 10th jump is on. See, Bunny first it will be standing on number 99. 99. See, Bunny is jumping every five boxes, right? So what you have to find out? What you have to find out, the Bunny's 10th jump. So Bunny's 10th jump you have to multiply with, because Bunny is jumping every five boxes. So 10 multiply with 5 you have to write, and Bunny is standing on the number 99. So 99 plus 10 into 5. 10 into 5 is 50. 99 plus 50 is 149. Or you can do like this also. 99 if you add plus 5, you get 104. 104 you add plus 5, you get 109. So like that, 10 times if you add 5, so you the 10th number obtained is 149. So your Bunny's 10th jump is 149. And next, Taru's 10th jump is on. See, Taru is standing on the number, first it is standing on the number 106. So after that, you have to find Taru's also 10th jump. So 10 is common here, and multiply with 4. Why 4? Because Taru is jumping every 4 boxes. So you have to take it as 4 here. So 106 plus 10 into 4 is 40. 106 plus 40 is 146. Here 106, Taru is standing first. So you have to add 4 for that. How much you had? 10. 10 times you have to add. So So if you add 10 times 4, 4, so you get 146 as the answer. Like that, you have to find the Taru's 10th jump. Like that only, Gabru's 10th jump will be on. See, Gabru is standing on 90th box first. So plus Gabru, you also have to find the 10th jump. Multiply with 7. Why 7? Because Gabru jumping every 7 boxes. So 90 plus 10 into 7 is 70. 90 plus 70 is 106. See here, 90. Gabru is standing on 90 box. This is another method. So now Gabru is standing on 90. So if you had 7 for that, you get 97. So like that only 10 times if you had 7, you get the number 160. That is the 10th jump of the Gabru. Gabru and Bunny both jump on number. See, Gabru and Bunny both jump these numbers. Which are that number? 104, 139 and 174. These three numbers, Gabru and Bunny both jump. Find out. Taru and Bunny jumps on number. See, Taru and Bunny, which number this both are jumping? So 114, 134 and 174. You can observe Taru's jump and Bunny's jump. See, 114, Taru also jumps and Bunny also jumps. And you can see the 134, the number 134, both Taru also jumps and Bunny also jumps. So 174, like that only. If you adding 4 for that, the last number obtained is 174. So both Taru and Bunny jumps on 174 also. Next, is there any number where all three of them jump? See, all three, that is Gabru, Bunny and Taru, all three of them jumps the number 174. You can see here, only 174, all the three they are jumping the number 174. I have underlined here, you can check here. And guess who will finish in the least jump, dash, in how many jumps? See, Gabru will finish in the least jump. Why? Because Gabru is jumping every 7 boxes. And how much time the 174 it will reach? That is 12th jump only will finish the Gabru will finish the last jump. Class jump. See here, jump 2 steps forward. 2 steps forward means, see, you have to skip 2 numbers and you have to write. For example, 104 you add plus 2, you get 106. So you are skipping 2 numbers here. 106 you add plus 2, you get 108. Like that only, you have to add two numbers and you have to write here. Jump 2 steps backward. Backward means you have to minus here. How much you have to minus? 2 you have to minus, because 2 steps you have to jumping backward. So 266 you minus 2, you get 260. 260 you minus 2, you get 258. So like that only, 258 you minus 2, you get 256. And jump 10 steps forward. 10 steps forward means forward means you have to add. How much you have to add? 10 you have to add. And jump 10 steps backward means you have to minus 10 here. Continue the pattern. So this and all you have to do it. You take it as homework. This you have to do it in your homework book. Write it in your homework book and send it pic to me. Counting forward and backward. See here, counting forward 1. So counting forward 1 means you have to add 1 for that. For example, 9 if you add 1 you get 10. 5 if you add 1 you get 6. 11 if you add 1 you get 12. 16 if you add 1 you get 17. Counting backward 1 number means you have to minus 1. So 8 if you minus 1 you get 7. 2 if you minus 1 you get 1. 14 if you minus 1 you get 13. 26 if you minus 1 you get 25. Like that only forward and backward counting. Here one picture you can see. See, 2 boys are there. One boy, see, he already climbed up and you have to get down. See, if we want to get down, the number will be decreases. You can see here. The first, this boy is decreasing, one number it will be decreases. So counting forward means the down one boy is standing, no, that boy, he was climbing up means one number it will be increasing. So what you have to increasing means you have to add, decreasing means you have to subtract. So here these two is the examples. Lazy Crazy Shop. This is the jungle shop. Lazy Crazy gives things only in the packet of tens, hundreds, and loose items. See here, this one shop is there. The shop name is Lazy Crazy Shop. It is in the jungle. Um, See here, the things are that shopkeeper giving only in the packets of hundreds, packets of tens, and loose items. Like that only that shopkeeper will give the items. So find out how many packets of tens, hundreds, and loose items each animal will take. Filling the blank. For example, see rabbit already they done. So you have to do for elephant, monkey, and deer. Let us see. Packets of 100, packets of 10, and loose items. See, and 210. 210, how many packets of 100 you can make? 2 packets. See, 200. So 2 times 100 means 200. 2 packets of 100 you can make, and 1 packet of tens, because in tens plus 1 is there. 1 packet of tens and 0 packet of loose item. 1 plus 0. 242. So here also 2 packets of 100, 4 packets of 10, because 4 is in tens plus, and 2 packets of loose item. Loose item means 1 plus 2 is there. So 2. 552. For 552, 5 packets of 100, 5 packets of 10, 2 packets of loose items. I hope you understood. Who I am? Who am I? Match with the number. I come between 40 and 50, and there is a 5 in my name. See, here you can see in between 40 and 50 the number is 45, and if you the number name 45, 5 also is there, so this answer is 45. I have 9 in my name and I am very close to 90. See children, I have 9 in my name. See, if you read that number, the 9 also the is there. So and it is very close to number 90. So which is that? The answer is 89, because 89, if you read 89, the 9 also is there in this in its name, and it is very close to 90. So answer is 89. If you eat a 4 after me, you score a century. Century means how much? It is 100 runs. So century means 100 runs. See here, the number 96, if you add 4, it will be 100. So answer is here 96, because 96 runs already you obtained. So if you hit 4 for that, it will be century, means 100. 96 plus 4 is 100. I am equal to 10 notes of 10. 10 notes of 10 means 10 notes. There are 10 times are there. So 10 into 10, that is 100. I am century plus half century. Century means 100, half century means 50. Both if you had, it is 150. 150 is the answer. I am exactly in between 77 and 97. Here in between 77 and 97, which number is there? Yes, it is 87. How many are these? See here, how many 100 notes are there? 200 notes, and 4 10 notes. So 200 notes means 200, 4 10 notes means 40. So 240 rupees are there. See here in this basket you can see so many sticks are there. How many 100 sticks are there? There are, see in that basket there are 300 sticks are there. 3 times see 100 are there, and 1 time 10 are there. In one basket 10 tens only 1 are there, and loose item, that is ones, that is 9 are there. So totally 300, 110, and 9 ones. So 319 sticks are there. And here how many blocks are there? Of 100 blocks, there are 200 blocks are there, so it is 200, and 110 blocks are there, it is 10, and 2 ones are there, so 212 blocks are there in this. And 100 beads, see in this necklace you can see the 100 beads are there. So 100 beads and 310 beads and 8 ones, so 138. And here 300 notes, two 10 notes. So 320. Two 10 notes means it is 20 rupees. So 300 notes means 300 rupees. 300, totally 320 rupees. See, here Chanda Mama, here one in this cloud they are given some story. Here Chanda Mama, what is it is telling means Chanda Mama is having is having friends of stars, so many stars. See, I am Chanda Mama, I have so many friends with twinkle in the sky. Yes, yes, all right, my friends are stars. One day all of them came to my home. I started counting to see how many remember their numbers. How many friends had come, but my friends were too many. So, to remember their numbers, I did something like this. Hello, everybody. See, this Chanda Mama, what he did, he has so many friends, that is stars. See, in the sky, so many stars are there. We cannot count the stars. Like that only he also cannot count easily. So what he did means he did one activity to count that stars. So how many friends are there for him, he did like this activity. What is that activity means? See, one star he made it as one card, that is one triangle card. And two stars means two triangle. And see, four stars means four triangle. Like that only 10 stars he arranged. So arranged like a 10 cards, that is 10 triangle cards. And it is replaced 10 triangle cards as one square card, that is 10 card. And 10 square card he replaced as 100 card. Let us see one activity. See here. Here, one star he made it as one triangle. Two star he made it as two triangle. Three star means three triangle. Four star means four triangle. Five star means five triangle. Six star means six triangle. Seven star means seven triangle. Eight star means eight triangle. Nine star means nine triangle. 10 star means 10 triangle. So 10 triangle he replaced as one square card, that is 10 card. So like that only 10, 1 10, 2 10, 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So 10 square card replaced as 100 card, that is in a oval shape. So like this he did a activity and he counted stars. See, all right, everybody in a line, we all play a game. See here, how many tens are there? There are two tens. So two tens means two square card. That is square card. He made it as 10. So two tens means it is 20. Here in the second square rectangle box, what is there? 100 card and three tens card. So 100 card and three tens card means it is 130. So like that only you can see two 10 card are there in the third box, and six triangle chord are there. So two 10 chord means that is 20, and six triangle chord means it is once. Triangle is replaced as once, so it is 26. So like that you have to count and you have to write. Do it yourself this. Thank you.